my name is Shruti and you're watching my channel Mind Body Fit. Summers have started and we feel like having more of a liquid to keep us full and going. So today I'm going to show you a easy, healthy, on-the-go power pack smoothie option, which you can have it first thing in the morning as a breakfast, as a pre or post-workout meal, and as a best snack option. So let's begin. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I've soaked chia seeds overnight, so right now it's nice and fluffy to use. 1 apple, unsweetened soya milk, you can take milk of your choice. 2 dates because I like my smoothie to be dark and rich. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, blueberries, you can take nuts of your choice. I've taken an unsweetened cocoa powder. Wow, I hope you can take a smell of this. Wow, it's going to make my smoothie dark and rich and give me all the energy for my workout. So we're going to take all the ingredients, mix it in a blender, and if your smoothie is not that runny, we can add a little water, okay, to make your smoothie a little runny. So let's So here our nice smoothie is ready.